Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry 605006. So in this video, JIPMER Puducherry, Master of Public Health, MPH Admissions 2024 information will be given. This is an institution of national importance under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exams like JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER, TISS, and for all other university and institutes which conduct Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions, PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for JIPMER Puducherry, and this is an institution of national importance under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Admission to MSc, MPH, PBD, PGD, PGF courses and Medical Physics Internship Program, prospectus 2024. Date of entrance examination 7th of July 2024. So entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH course at JIPMER Puducherry will be on 7th of July 2024. So in this video, information regarding important dates, entrance exam syllabus, eligibility criteria and other details will be discussed. So this is the information about JIPMER. Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry, under Government of India since the year 1956, is one of the leading medical institutions of India, spread over a sprawling 195-acre campus in an urban local of Puducherry, formerly Pondicherry. JIPMER is 170 km by road from Chennai. JIPMER has been declared as an institution of national importance by an Act of Parliament. JIPMER Puducherry in the year 2008. A copy of the Act was gazetted notified on 14th of July 2008 to enforce this Act. Prior to this, the institute was functioning under the administrative control of Directorate General of Health Service, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, New Delhi. The institution is now empowered to award medical degrees, diplomas, etc. under the clauses 23rd and 24 of the said Act. Such degree diploma shall be deemed to be included in the schedule to the respective acts governing Medical Council of India, Indian Nursing Council and Dental Council of India, entitling the holders to the same privileges as those attached to the equivalent awards from the recognized universities of India. JIPMER imparts undergraduate, postgraduate and super specialty medical training through a hospital with more than 2000 beds. MBBS, BSc, MSc, MPH, MD, MS, DM and MCH degree courses are offered in several disciplines including full-time PhD programs. These are the important dates. Online registration started from 23rd of May 2024 Thursday and registration last date is 20th of June 2024. 26 2024 Thursday 4:30 PM is the last date for registration, and hall ticket can be downloaded from JIPMER website from 29th of June 2024 11 AM to 7th of July 2024 Sunday 8 AM. Date and time of entrance examination 7th of July 2024 Sunday 9 AM to 10:30 AM. Expected date of publication of merit list on or before 22nd of July 2024 Monday. Details regarding counseling and admission will be announced later. In Master of Public Health, course code is 8908. Name of the course Master of Public Health. Number of seats 34. So 34 seats are there for Master of Public Health. This is the information regarding JIPMER Master of Public Health, course code 8908. Eligibility: any applicant with qualification of MBBS degree, BDS, Dental, BE, BTech, any branch, BSc Nursing, Bachelor of Veterinary Science, Ayush, Allied Health or Social Sciences of any recognized university, statutory body should have passed in first attempt in all semesters year with at least 50% marks in aggregate. 2 years of completed work experience in public health system is desirable on or before 31st of July 2024. Medical, dental, veterinary, nursing, Ayush graduates should have registered with their respective state registration council. Distribution of seats: category number of seats unreserved 7, other backward classes OBC 5, scheduled caste SC 3, scheduled tribe ST 2, economically weaker section 2, sponsored deputed 15, total number of seats 34. The unfilled sponsored deputed category seats are not transferable to any other category. One seat is reserved to PWD person with disability candidate on horizontal reservation basis. Duration of the course: the duration of the course is 2 years. There is no stipendary provision during the course of study. There is a provision for sponsored deputed candidates. So in this video, information regarding JIPMER MPH, important details will be discussed. This is the online payment fee for category and reserve EWS, rupees 1500 plus transaction charges, OBC 1500 plus transaction charges, SC ST 1200 plus transaction charges, PWD exempted from application fee. And these are the examination center. The following 9 cities are tentatively proposed in India as the examination center. Name of the center, name of the state and name of the city. So first is Bengaluru, second Bhubaneswar, third Chennai, fourth Hyderabad, fifth Cochin, sixth Kolkata, seventh Mumbai, New Delhi, eighth New Delhi and Puducherry. So entrance exam will be in major cities of India like Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Cochin, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Puducherry. Entrance examination will be conducted only through a computer based test CBT. The examination shall be held on Sunday 7th of July 2024 from 9 am to 10:30 am. The duration of examination shall be for 1 hour and 30 minutes. No candidate will be permitted to appear in the examination unless he or she holds a valid admit card hall ticket issued by the institute and identity proof in original and a photocopy of the same. The examination shall be conducted only in English medium. The entrance examination is common to all, consists of 100 single best response type MCQs having 4 alternatives, and the question will be asked from concerned subject to the respective course as detailed below. Name of the course, program, subject. So in Master of Public Health, entrance exam syllabus will be population sciences, biostatics, epidemiology, health economics, national health program and computer knowledge and English. So these subjects will become population sciences, biostatics, epidemiology, health economics, national health program, computer knowledge and English. These subjects will come in entrance exam. And there will be negative marking also. For correct answer 4 marks will be given and 1 mark will be deducted from wrong answer. And this is the fee for various courses. For MPH, course fee is total 14,910. 14,910 is the total fee for Master of Public Health JIPMER MPH course fee. This is the summary of examination. Mode of examination is computer based test CBT. Duration of examination 1 hour and 30 minutes. Date of examination 7th of July 2024 Sunday. Number of shifts single shift. Time of examination 9 am to 10:30 am. Location of the examination center tentatively 9 cities in India. Language of paper English. Type of examination objective type. Number of questions one paper of 100 questions. Type of objective questions multiple choice questions. Marking scheme correct answer 4, incorrect answer 1, -1 deducted, unanswered 0 mark. Eligibility score percentile. Unreserved EWS institute and sponsored deputed 50, unreserved PWD 45, SC ST OBC and PWD under these categories 40. Method of determining merit. Overall merit by percentile of total course scores. Method of resolving ties in the following order. First, less negative marks. First, less negative mark. If a tie still exists, the candidate elder by age will be ranked higher. So in this video, information regarding JIPMER Master of Public Health course has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, entrance exams like JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPS, Pune University, Lucknow University, Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.